Hi everyone, today I will be showing how I'm making my Easter basket for my niece. She's 6.5 years old. So I'm reusing basket from my last project, and I will be using pink shred that I used for my previous video. So I'm just gonna line my basket with the shred. It's this one that I picked up at the store. So I picked up Marshmallow Pips. She likes pink color, and she loves M&M chocolate, so I'm gonna include this in a basket, and the Kinder Joy candy that she can't wait to open. So I'm just gonna place my pink shred and place Marshmallow Pips first at the back, then M&M chocolates and Kinder Joy. So now I'm just gonna use cellophane to wrap it up, and I'm gonna use this pink ribbon that goes nicely with my Easter basket. So I'm gonna show you how it looks after I wrap it up and use my ribbon. So this is the finished look. I wrapped up my basket nice and neat. I fixed the edges with the Scotch tape, and then I made very simple bow with my pink ribbon. So it's very nice and cute basket for little one. So it includes all the favorite things inside that she absolutely loves. Thank you guys for watching. Click like and see you next time. Bye.